standard miter joints always sliding out of place. Try this depth miter joint instead. Start by lining up your pieces. Use a combination square to trace the vertical troughs of your steps. Square your lines horizontally to connect them. Keeping your marks precise is the secret here. Run a 45-degree line straight through the steps. Then mark the waist areas you need to cut out. Clear the waist, slide the pieces together, and you get a perfect interlocking fit with 0 gaps.